Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
If you've ever wondered how to display all your products front and center on your Shopify homepage, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through every step to make sure your visitors see everything you have to offer the moment they land on your store. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up a featured collection that showcases all your products, and you'll have a homepage that really works for you. Let's dive right in. First things first, head over to your Shopify dashboard and click on Products. You'll see an option for Collections. Go ahead and select that. Collections are a way to group products together, making it easier for your customers to browse through your store. So to organize all your products in one spot, we'll need to create a new collection. Click on Add Collection. At this point, you'll need to name your collection. I usually recommend something simple like All Products, so it's immediately clear to you and anyone managing your shop what this collection contains. This name is just for you, so make it straightforward. Once you've named your collection, you'll see a field for the description. The description isn't always visible to customers depending on your theme, but it's still worth filling out with a brief note like a complete list of all products in our store. This can help you stay organized, and if it does show up on your site, gives a little context to your shoppers. Here's a key detail. Under collection type, make sure to select Manual. You might notice there's an automated option, but for most stores that want full control, manual is the way to go. This lets you handpick the products you want to display, in this case, everything in your store. Now begin adding products to your collection. You'll see an Add Products button. Clicking that lets you pick each item from your store's inventory. If you have a lot of products, this part might take a few moments, so take your time and make sure you don't miss anything important. Double check that you've included everything you want to feature here. You also have the option to add a cover image for the collection. This isn't mandatory, but it's a nice touch and adds a bit of professionalism to your store. If you have a photo that represents your brand or your product range, upload it, and this image will show up wherever the collection is featured. Once you're happy with your collection, the name, description, products, and image, click Save. Pause here for a moment and make sure everything looks right. It's always easier to fix things now than after it goes live. Next, let's actually get this collection onto your homepage. From the left sidebar, click on Online Store, then select Customize. This takes you to the theme editor where you can visually tweak your storefront. Look for the Featured Collection section. Usually you'll find it on the left side under your homepage settings. Click into it. Now on the right pane, there will be an option to select which collection you want to feature. Click this and pick the new collection you just made, the one with all your products. As soon as you select it, you'll see a preview update displaying all the products you added, and that's it. You've now set up your Shopify homepage to proudly showcase all your products, making it easier for customers to browse and shop. If you want to try out different arrangements, feel free to play around with the theme settings. You can always change which collection is featured and preview how it looks before publishing. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like, and if you have any questions or run into any trouble, just leave a comment below. I'm always happy to help out. And don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward Shopify tips to grow your store. See you in the next video.